the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pitch you guys. Okay? And we've got some incredible offers for you at the moment. And we've had some people kind of message us and say, what happens after the 11 sessions? What do I do after the 11 sessions? And so this brings me to the next steps, everybody. And as I said, we've got an incredible offer for you that is going to last until the next coaching session. Until the next Coach Accelerator, which is the last session next Tuesday. So if you have a look at the PowerPoint on screen at the moment, if we just go to the next slide, thank you, is we want to help you master your journey as a coach. And there's really two things that we want to talk about. One is the Master Coach, is our Master Coach program, which is a very, very powerful program. As I said to you, the coaching system that you have is really just the foundations. The next phase that we move into is the Master Coach. And the Master Coach is just so powerful. And this is where we move into kind of the mission phase. So if you remember, wounded self, best version of self, then we move into the mission. And this is where we kind of almost move into like a freestyle approach where we almost bring every area together and we start to see how we can increase energy, improve relationships, launch these businesses and concepts, because typically what happens when you're working with people and you increase their confidence, 9 times out of 10, then they want to launch a side hustle or a business and all of those things. And also what you'll notice through the coaching program as well is you might kind of be working with someone and then they tap into enormous amounts of emotion. And so this is where you want to be trained in like root cause techniques, NLP, all of that stuff, to be able to handle any of the negative emotions that are coming up, limiting decisions, behaviors, all of that stuff, and really helping your clients achieve excellence. So the Master Coach program, we've kind of got, 3 intensive modules because mindset is kind of interconnected with all of them. So to improve health, there's an aspect of mindset that needs to happen. To improve relationships, there's an aspect of mindset, and obviously with business. So we've got these powerful disciplines, these powerful coaching systems with the Master Coach. So we've got a health coaching system, and this helps your client transform their relationship to health. And that's the thing. If you look at people, the people that follow through on health are the ones that love it. They love movement. They love nutrition. And this coaching program is kind of looking at how do we create lifelong kind of associations to health. And so we start off with the decision-making process, the decision to eat or the decision to exercise, and we look at creating enormous positivity. And so we look at values, we look at limiting decisions, we do some incredible processes like to dislike, amazing education, and it's all scripted exactly like the Coach Now system, the accelerated coach system that you've been working on. We've got the relationship coaching system, and this is where we're able to help clients transform every relationship in their life on a personal level, also from a business point of view as well. Ensuring that your clients have values aligned, that they're connected from a business point of view. This system is really great for couples coaching. It's really great for helping clients attract relationships as well. So if you've got that client that is eternally single, there's modules in this relationship coaching system to get out there and attract your soulmate. Then we've got the business coaching and consulting system. So this is where we can transition into the consulting area as well. And this is a powerful system to help small to medium businesses, or you might get in and start doing corporate coaching. You might help those rising kind of stars kind of skyrocket up the corporate ladder. There's 32 scripted business coaching systems. And the wonderful thing is you can take those business coaching and consulting systems, you can apply it on yourself. You can apply it on your business. Same with the relationship coaching system. You can apply that stuff on yourself or health coaching. And this is wonderful because now you've got all of these extra coaching sessions where you can be coaching clients for years. And you can mix and match these sessions as well as you start to kind of move to that master coach level. The next one is our accelerated kind of NLP program. And this training will help you really work on mindset. It'll help you, release limiting decisions and negative emotions with clients. It'll help them, create excellence in their behavior, their communication, their psychology. One of the things that we give you with this accelerated online NLP training is what's called a breakthrough session. And a breakthrough session is something that you could sell as a package. And what I mean by that, it's a 4 to 6 hour session. You could charge, say, $1,000 to $1,500 for that. And you could get rid of every negative emotion, limiting decision in an area of life. So it actually works really well with the 11 session package that you have. For instance, if you're coaching someone and a whole lot of emotion comes up, you can go, okay, what I want to do is a breakthrough session with you. And you do a breakthrough session on, whatever area of life that you're working with them on. So a breakthrough session around health or relationships or business or career. And again, you go into that area and you get rid of everything that is in the way. So all of these kind of come together to form the master coaching system. And you can see the link at the bottom, the troublemakersconsulting.com.au upgrade, if you guys are interested. So we've got a really amazing offer for you for the master coach system for the next 7 days before the next session. We have 50% off that training. And so if you're interested in taking advantage of this, all that you need to do is just go to that link, book in a chat with one of our master coaches. And that's just the link below. It's the troublemakersconsulting.com/upgrade. And so just, go there now if you're really interested in the master coaching system and a really amazing offer. Our team will catch up with you. You have a chat with a master coach. We'll put a plan in place and we'll go into detail on all of these trainings. And typically the payment plans are like $50 a week. And if you look at it, what you can earn from this, it's enormous. It's a no-brainer. So we've got a special for you, $50 off, 50% off over the next 7 days. So that's our master coach system. And it really takes your coaching to the next level. The next thing that I want to talk to you about, for those of you that need help actually building your coaching business, we have a program called the 6-Figure Accelerator. It used to be called the 6-Figure Coach Blueprint. This is a new version. It's called the 6-Figure Accelerator. And it's really designed to accelerate you when it comes to, hitting those financial targets within your business. And, getting back to what I was telling you about, being able to do 3 hours coaching a week, set up a virtual mastermind as well. And, hitting that, 6 figures of 2K a week for 4.5 hours worth of delivery. This program is a 10-week program. It's designed to help you do that 6-figure jump. It is structured, and I've set it up. So, you only have to do that 4 hours, 5 to 5 hours of kind of delivery every week. And it'll really just save you years of trial and error. We look at so many things in this training. Number one, as you're starting to realize, mindset is so important. You will never outperform your self-image. So what I do is I help you, with your mindset, but really to kind of switch on that ability to receive. And when you're able to do that and really build that new identity, kind of like what I was sharing with Alberto, is adopting that physiology of being Australia's best coach, being connected to your mission, and you're going to promote in a different way. You're going to influence people in such a powerful way. So we have a whole module on mindset from a business point of view, from a wealth creation point of view. We have a whole sales and marketing process, which is a proven sales and marketing system to create predictable growth, a turnkey system in your business. And that's looking at online and offline. And so imagine being able to attract leads into your business, targeted leads into your business, be able to do strategy appointments, the free sessions, and to be able to be pitching your services and to have that as a system that is predictable. It's really, really important. A lot of people train to be coaches, but they don't understand sales and marketing. They don't understand the mindset necessary to be able to get those results. The next thing that we share in the 6-Figure Coach Blueprint is the technology. And so to learn how to use the platforms that really help you create a virtual business, whether it be doing one-on-one coaching or one-to-many. And again, the latest platforms, what you can do now is unbelievable. You can automate your sales process. You can automate your lead gen, and you can set up a business where you can do this anywhere in the world. And that's really, I think, what inspires me so much about this is we live in this amazing world at the moment. There's a whole lot of crisis. And crisis is really the key when it comes to, building a coaching business. Typically, people only turn to coaching in the crisis. And all you've got to do from a marketing point of view is work out what is the crisis that you can help people with. And we can go back to your story and we can look at the beginning of your story. That's your avatar. And so what we've got to do is then find communities where your avatar is in, and then kind of trigger that wound, which will then get attention. And then what we can start to do is really help people. You don't need to help everyone. This is the biggest mistake coaches make. Like, the best in the world say no to more people. So we live in this incredible world at the moment where there is major crises. If we look at coaching is really the process of helping a person assisting a person to make positive changes in one or more areas of life. So, like, who couldn't do with an improvement in health or relationships or business or career? So the market is enormous. But the challenge is there are so many coaches out there that don't understand how to market a coaching business. They don't understand business. They're stuck in their wounds because they haven't got their mindset right. And so this 6-Figure Coach Blueprint is just such a powerful training. And, I just want people to get out there and do this stuff. The world needs more coaches. The world needs more NLP practitioners. We don't need more accountants. We don't need more lawyers. We don't need any more, car salespeople, all that type of stuff. What we need to do is we need to shift. We need to grow. And that's what I'm passionate about. And what I'm really passionate about is helping people break out of that job and to be able to be free. And that's what my life is that I can run my businesses anywhere in the world. I'm sitting down talking to amazing people that I love, and I'm talking about how to, help them become successful. I'm going to dinners to celebrate my clients' successes, probably too many dinners, too many long lunches. I'm traveling. I can travel anywhere in the world. I'm sitting in beautiful resorts and sitting by a pool doing coaching sessions and just living life on my terms. And I want to share it. I think everyone has this ability and has this opportunity at the moment if you do the work on yourself. And so I've kind of set these packages up, the Master Coach package for you to help people at, a level that you never thought possible. And this 6-Figure Coach Accelerator program to really accelerate your ability to actually make this work and for you to be free and generate an income of, $2,000 a week for like 5 hours worth of work. So again, if you're interested in this, we have 50% off this one as well over the next 7 days. It can be as simple as like a $50 a week payment plan. All you've got to do is just check out that link, troublemakersconsulting.com/upgrade, and book in a chat. My team, one of my master coaches, will sit down with you and we will work out a plan. We'll look at your budget. We'll look at everything and ensure that, you've got a plan for the next step with the journey with us. And yeah, I can't wait for live events, by the way, to see all of you. We have Coach Now coming up as well. If you check out yourfuturenow.com.au, if you wanted to do these coaching programs face-to-face, we've got so much stuff coming up. We're kind of chomping at the bit. So I hope this sales pitch, you enjoyed my little sales pitch. And as I said, if you want some more information, just go to that link, the troublemakersconsulting.com/upgrade. Book us some time with one of our master coaches. You get like a free session with them and take advantage of the 50% off over the next 7 days. But anyway, guys, that is our session for today.